pressure, liquid will go through your skin. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of air pressure to get through your skin. So at 400 psi, 600 psi at 400 degrees, this would cut through you very quickly on this low speed end. So any type of steam leak would be very dangerous. But so I need to light this guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go turn on the fuel by opening one of these manifolds to whatever burner I'm going to light. And my torch, I would get a torch here, I'd light the torch, and then I'd slide it into there, and then open the fuel valve right here, which would then throw fuel into that mix, and I've just lit one burner. Now I got 6 more to do. Once I get one running, the rest will run. And basically the torch is a long rod with rope that I would dip into either a kerosene or diesel mix and then light that with a match. And so you can imagine this little fire thing going up, and I'd slide that torch in there and this burner would light. And then when that one's running, I'd open up the fuel to this. This one here is actually behind you. They took it off so you can see the boiler. And light up all 6 of these. Now, once I get all 6 running, my job isn't done. Because I don't want to make smoke, right? So this is an air fuel mixture, just like a kerosene lamp. So what I have to do is adjust how much air is cleaning out all the oil and the gum. And then the next thing you do is you put all
the scars are perfectly fine from World War II.
So from 0 to 15 knots, you use one size kit. If you're going to have air operations and you're going to go over 15 knots, then you all so down here we need to know what the plan of the day is. So then we can put in the right tip. That's why he's got this little soundproof booth, so he has a little bit of quiet. So you can talk on the phone, but this is where the engine order telegraph comes down. So when the bridge wants to go faster or want more speed, this is going to show, they'll hear a bell and they'll show how fast they want to go. So if they want to go really fast, then we need to make more steam, because the engine can only go as fast as the steam we make. If that's where they would open the short of that, they would say slow. Normally a couple hundred pounds over what your operating pressure is. We're not going to jack it in. Take your time coming up. You're going to take some pictures while you're there. Feel free. We're just going to come here. Because we're at the top of the boiler now. Now these boilers are in a V-end shape. That's where the periscope goes, and you can see the color of the smoke. So it's right on the top of the boiler. So that will help you see the color of the smoke. Yeah. It also would not let that go up the stack. Yeah, that's standard. That was just a standard color.
You said there were 8 men down there at a time?
So you have in this compartment.